This is the 1997 Mitsubishi Pajero. It has 55,351 original miles. It comes with a 6G74 6-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This Mitsubishi is 4-wheel drive. This vehicle has undergone servicing and is being sold as a mechanic special. This vehicle runs and drives fine, but when the engine does get hot, the vehicle's RPMs will surge up and down. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. Alright, I did want to point out that this vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. As y'all can see down here, and the number up here is the kilometers. It is 89,079. That is the kilometers. The miles on it again is 55,351. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle.